Sadly, Kenya has lost 10 more patients who are receiving treatment for the coronavirus in various health centers, this being the highest number of fatalities recorded in a single day, leaving health officials shocked. Kenya's COVID-19 death toll now stands at 117. According to the Ministry of Health, even though health officials are making every effort to save lives, in some cases, patients do not respond well to treatment. Health officials had even more grim figures to report: 213 new infections recorded in a day out of a sample of 6,024 tested. Another disturbing record indicating that the virus is fast spreading with no signs of slowing down anytime soon.
From the data that we have been providing, it is evident that in Nairobi continues to be one of the epicenters with largest numbers. So in Nairobi, it appears that the number of infections in Westlands, Kibra, Langata, Embakasi, and Dagoretti have been rising steadily.
Nairobi, as busy as it is known to be, was equally busy with the spread of COVID-19. Today, the city recorded 136 new cases, followed by Mombasa with 32. Kajiado had 13, all said to be truck drivers who had been flagged at the Namanga border. Kiambu County is also fast climbing the chart with 7 new cases, followed by Busia, an area that continues to report new cases from truck drivers flagged at the border with Uganda. Machakos County, which boasts of rapid response teams and a stadium converted into a COVID-19 isolation center, has 4 new cases, while Nakuru also recorded 4. Luckily, there were patients who responded well to treatment and were discharged from hospital. The number of recoveries today numbered 106. This as Deputy President William Ruto called on well-wishers to come on board and assist the government with funds and other donations to fight the pandemic.
Nataka niwaulize nyinyi vijana, watu wa Nairobi hii, wa Kenya wa sehemu zote, ya kwamba tuendelee na kuitikia na kufuata yale maagizo tumepatiwa na serikali ya kuhakikisha kwamba tunaosha mikono mara kwa mara, tunaweka ile social distancing na physical distancing.
Elsewhere, Education Cabinet Secretary George Magoha has hinted that his ministry is considering pushing all national examinations to April next year to allow for completion of the syllabus and to give students ample time to prepare soon after schools reopen in September.
We wouldn't want to guide the president to open schools only to close them a week or 2 later, like is now happening in Beijing, like has happened in Israel, like has happened in South Korea and many other countries.
In a letter sent to all vice-chancellors, universities could reopen in September this year as long as they adhere to regulations set by the Health Ministry. Dennis Matara, K24, Evening Edition.